In the tapestry of global industry, few threads are as enduring as the story of Toyota. What began as a venture in the textile industry has woven itself into a narrative of innovation, resilience, and global leadership in the automotive sector. This documentary will explore Toyota's journey from its origins in a small loom workshop to its status as a global automotive powerhouse. We invite you to join us as we trace Toyota's evolution through decades of challenge and change, driven by its unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. Welcome to Toyota, from humble beginnings to global dominance. Early beginnings. The roots of Toyota stretch back to the late 19th century with Sakichi Toyoda, a prolific inventor whose groundbreaking designs revolutionized the textile industry in Japan. Sakichi's most significant contribution was his automatic loom, which not only enhanced production efficiency, but also demonstrated his ethos of finding better ways to work. It was this philosophy that his son, Kiichiro Toyoda, would carry forward into an entirely different industry. Inspired by his father's innovation, Kiichiro set his sights on the burgeoning field of automobile manufacturing. In 1936, amidst an era of industrial transformation in Japan, Toyota launched its first passenger car, the Model AA, marking the company's bold entry into the automotive world. This vehicle was not just a product, it was a statement of adaptability and ambition, setting the stage for a legacy of automotive excellence that would grow to span the globe. Post-war expansion and challenges. After World War II, Toyota faced a devastated economy and a ravaged industrial landscape. Yet, it was during these challenging times that Toyota not only survived, but began to reshape its destiny. In the 1950s, the company ventured into the American market, a move met with challenges due to early models that struggled to appeal to American consumers. Despite these hurdles, Toyota persisted, eventually finding success with the robust and reliable Land Cruiser. This model quickly became synonymous with durability and versatility, conquering both the Australian outbacks and the African savannas, and heralding Toyota's global presence as an automotive stalwart. The boom of the 1960s and 1970s. The 1960s and 1970s marked a period of explosive growth for Toyota, spearheaded by the launch of the Toyota Corolla in 1966. This compact sedan was engineered for economy and reliability, qualities that resonated deeply with consumers worldwide, especially during the oil crisis of the 1970s. As fuel prices soared and efficiency became paramount, the Corolla's reputation for fuel efficiency cemented Toyota's position in the global market. The company's commitment to quality and the development of fuel-efficient vehicles not only enhanced its brand reputation, but also set a new standard in automotive manufacturing, heralding a new era for the global car industry and establishing Toyota as a byword for reliability and innovation and leadership. As the new millennium approached, Toyota once again demonstrated its leadership in innovation and commitment to sustainability with the introduction of the Prius in 1997. This groundbreaking vehicle was the world's first mass-produced hybrid car, symbolizing Toyota's dedication to green technology. The Prius marked a significant milestone not only for Toyota, but for the automotive industry at large, as it set new standards for environmental responsibility and fuel efficiency. Toyota's pioneering work in hybrid technology spurred a wave of innovation across the industry, pushing competitors to also prioritize sustainable practices. This shift not only underscored Toyota's role as a leader in green technology, but also reinforced its reputation as a company committed to future-proofing its operations and leading the charge towards a more sustainable automotive landscape, global influence, and future vision. Toyota's quest for innovation has propelled its expansion into new markets and led to an impressive diversification of its product lineup. Today, Toyota is not just about cars, it's about shaping the future of mobility. With significant investments in hydrogen fuel cells, artificial intelligence, and autonomous driving technologies, Toyota is at the forefront of developing smarter, more sustainable transportation solutions. These endeavors are part of a broader vision that extends beyond traditional vehicles, aiming to deliver mobility for all. Toyota's commitment to this vision showcases its role as a pioneer, continually pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the automotive industry. From its origins as a humble textile loom manufacturer, Toyota has risen to become a beacon of innovation and a global leader in the automotive industry. This journey of resilience and vision underscores Toyota's commitment to enhancing global mobility and pioneering future technologies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Toyota's history. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories of innovation and the human spirit. Until next time, keep moving forward.